Verifying your Slack account is an important step to ensure your identity and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your device or visit the Slack website in your web browser. Log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Step 2. Check your email. Look for a verification email from Slack in your inbox. This email is typically sent to the address you used to create your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 3. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and locate the link provided. Click on this link to confirm your email address and verify your account. Step 4. Follow additional prompts. Once you click the verification link, you may be redirected to Slack. Follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear on the screen to complete the verification process. Step 5. Confirm verification. After completing the steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You can now access all features of Slack without restrictions. By following these steps, you can ensure your Slack account is verified and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Slack support for assistance.